So this is the accent chair you can see here. And this is the box. And here they have attached the string. And this is where all the hardware is secured. So let me open this box and show you the content inside. I've just opened this. See, this is the instruction. I'll go through this in detail. Then this is the base. Once I will place it, I'll show you in detail. This is an empty box to make it secure. And this is the hardware which was secured to this tray. So make sure not to miss this. So these are the hardware which you will require to assemble this chair. I just took this out. This is bulky but very lightweight. We take out this empty box. And then you have this inside. Now you can see this fully. Then this box beneath has the arm and the crossbar. Let me take this out. This was little heavy. So let me open this. This is where the arm, everything is here. I've just placed the seat, backrest, the armrest, and this crossbar. Now one confusion you will have here, this shows left and this shows right. So if you're sitting, the left, what is shown, will be your right. So which is on the right side, you'll keep it like this. On this side, left, and right, this side. You see these three holes, and these three holes, this should be facing toward the seat. So if you have positioned this way, it should work. That's where this will come and get fixed. Here you see barrel nut, two here and two here, but you will see hole three here and three here. So you will use the barrel nut here on the extreme of both sides. The center one, I'll show you how to fix. So we'll go ahead and fix the barrel nut. Half of it will go here and remaining half will come here and here. You don't need any accessories. This will just go in. Once you place it like this and push it, this is gone. Same way, this is gone. We do this on the other side again here. Even the other side is done now. So you see, this will get matched like this, and this hole will be inwards like this. So we will just place it like this. Now in this hole, we will place this. This screw will be remaining outside, and this goes into the hole like this. This nut goes in here, and after this is secured, we will use this key to tighten. This hexagon key we'll use to tighten this. We'll just tighten this like this. And now this leg is secured here. Same thing we do the other side. Right, we have placed this nut, and now we will bring this to this hole. You see here, this hole. Now this has been joined. We will put this and tighten this here. So even this side has been secured. Tighten this. Now this is ready. Now you see there are two holes here. We will match this. The upper one, this one with this, and this one with this. Same on the other side. Here and here. There are the four screw, two on one side and two on other side. So both have been placed here. and both have been placed here, and it's time to secure all four. This is getting secured. Same goes here. All four gets done this way. All four have been secured. And let's go to the next step. So this is the base, and you see these are two shoes, and there is one hole here. This hole will get matched to this. This is where it will come and sit. You'll have to put this in this angle. This goes first, and then once you have placed this, you just give it a push. Like this. You see here, this hole has to match with this, and we will be using this to secure. Now you see, this is aligned, and we will tighten this now. So we are tightening this, and this finishes the setup. It's a simple setup. Now this is secured and done. Adding this felt protector, this is not part of the accessories. This we got from Dollarama. So this helps secure the base and not scratching the wooden flooring. This has been secured and ready.